Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nika, and today I'm gonna be sharing with you some markers I found on Amazon. They are brush pens and they are really affordable. So I want to make it like a series of cheap brush marker finds. So this is the first one, and this is by a brand called Usopp, I don't know how to pronounce it. So it comes 36 dual brush pens, and they cost, like, as of the making of this video, they cost $13.99. So I'm gonna be testing these ones and see if they are worth it or not. So let me try them for you. So keep watching. I'm gonna shut up and just show you some things about them. Well, some of the things that I didn't mention when I was writing down this paper is that the barrel is triangular, you see. So it has some advantages, like if you are putting it on your desk, it just won't roll. So it's really nice. But the tip, it's weird because the whole thing is triangular, but it gets round in here. I've never seen a pen like this. So you see triangular, totally round. So it changes the shape of the brush pen, the barrel, as it goes up. So this is the tip of the brush pen. As you saw in the video, it's really decent when it comes to bounciness and flexibility, but I don't feel they are like hard to fray. I think this one may fray easily, especially if you have a heavy hand. But I mean, if you are looking for markers to color in to give to your children that you don't mind getting ruined too soon, these ones are okay for it. And to be so cheap, they have a great variety of colors, and they are very juicy indeed, as you saw. So I was I gotta say, I was nicely surprised by these markers, because I was not expecting anything like this. Zero juiciness, zero bounciness from a $13 pack of 36 markers, you know. So that's it for today. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like to help me, you know, grow, and stay tuned, because I'm gonna keep this series. I have some other super cheap brush pen markers to show you, and I can't wait. So see you next one. Bye.